Dream home for a dreamer. I sometimes browse floor plans as escapism. Real estate in my area is expensive, so I prefer efficient layouts. I loathe pretending to pay for a home that is mostly hallway. With astronomical quantities of imaginary money at play, I feel the features developers and realtors deem luxury should be more out of this world. At these prices, a toilet and sink should not just be fancy, they should be self-cleaning. A closet advertised as a bedroom, even though it could barely fit a child's bed, should include something impressive like dynamic shelving or computer screens in the walls. Amenities characterized as modern should be more technologically advanced than appliances that have been standard for generations. Imagining working to afford appliances so I can perform chores does not fulfill my fantasies. I can't get excited thinking about a closet washer and dryer. I don't want an entire room devoted to laundry, as featured in particularly unaffordable suites. Laundry should not exist where my Zen den belongs. My dream home does not contain a laundry room, nor laundry machines, and certainly not laundry itself. My dream home has internet for goods. Let's imagine a future where internet takes care of stuff like laundry. An internet home comes pre-installed with essential amenities. In addition to traditional pipes that fill sinks with clean water on demand, an internet home is connected to modern pipes that deliver virtually everything else virtually instantly to internet kiosks. An internet kiosk is the smartphone or multifunction pocket knife of previous generations. It is the ultimate multi-purpose must-have gadget for the modern home. One of the many functions of an internet kiosk is replacing your laundry hamper. Computer technology is ideal for deciphering cleaning instructions, sorting laundry, and arranging cleaning off-site without your involvement. Instead of storing dirty, stinky clothes in your home, put them in a kiosk and let internet coordinate all the logistics. With a wardrobe in cyberspace, you can access outfits from any kiosk, like retrieving dry cleaning from a garment conveyor. This feature comes in handy to replace stained clothes in a public washroom, or transition from work attire to after-work attire at work. When you want to go work out, a suitable outfit comes to you. Return sweaty clothes to any kiosk. Instead of stuffing clothes into a tiny space, use Internet's Infinity Closet feature to store off-season clothes off-site. Remotely browse clothes and use your cyber-enhanced mirror to virtually try on outfits. You don't need as many clothes in your home when suitable items are always accessible on demand. Internet keeps everything clean and in good condition. Home internet doesn't just clean your clothes, it can clean your home. Sign up for a robotic cleaning service to take care of chores like vacuuming and toilet scrubbing. You don't have to buy, set up, and maintain robots. Internet dispatches cleaning devices on a rental basis as needed. But if you want to own your own robots, Internet will find the best deals. When you want something, a world of goods is at your doorstep, literally. Grocery shopping and every other kind of shopping is easy. Order online and Internet arranges delivery. Shopping with Internet is convenient, but you don't need to worry about accumulating a lot of things you don't need. Internet comes with tools to help keep clutter out of your home, including automated recycling and apps that sell unwanted items. Internet also provides unlimited storage options for items you don't want to sell but don't want in your home. Many items are available to rent online. This lets you try before you buy to ensure you get exactly what you want. For example, you can use Internet to try out furniture. A selection of free demonstration items comes with most Internet accounts. This lets you evaluate home decor in your home. Try a variety of options and find what works for you. Fixtures are less fixed with internet since it is so easy to move things. An internet home is move-in ready. No more renting moving trucks and dealing with boxes when you have access to an internet box. Control your move online and leave the heavy lifting to internet. Internet is ready to accommodate you and your needs. If caring for the environment is a value you live by, consider living in an internet home. Green energy systems are typically installed during the internet upgrade, rendering electricity free from greenhouse gas emissions. Replacing appliances such as refrigerators and clothes dryers with Internet for Goods also reduces emissions. A community plugged into internet can share high-quality, energy-efficient machines, thereby reducing manufacturing emissions. Machines that serve a community can be more energy efficient and better maintained. A laundry service can invest in better spin features on washers to reduce drying time and therefore energy use. Instead of a dryer wasting energy powering up and down, a communal dryer can dry multiple loads one after the other for maximum efficiency. Internet uses data to tweak performance. For example, it can adjust water temperature and soap levels for optimal cleaning both for clothes and the environment. With internet moving goods, another big machine you won't need is an automobile. Living with smaller, fewer, or no automobiles results in a big cut in emissions. By moving storage off-site and reducing appliances and automobiles, homes can be more compact. This reduces building emissions, including those for heating and cooling. In an internet home, lowering emissions is literally a homegrown success story. When the market would otherwise make owning a home unaffordable, internet helps unlock value. This well-designed technology removes clutter from your living space, so your cozy home feels spacious. Homeowners can store things off-site where property values are cheaper and avoid expenses like driveways, carports, garages, or parking stalls. Instead of devoting space to chores like laundry, internet's efficiency allows homeowners to maximize floor space for their needs and their budget. With internet, not only do you save on housing costs, you save on all your regular purchases too. With transactions fully online, apps are always on duty to find deals on items you need. Homeowners don't need to own as much since they can rent as needed. Buyers avoid the expense of acquiring and maintaining appliances. An internet home provides affordable luxury by managing your laundry, vacuuming, and garbage. The keys to a good home are solid design, plenty of neighborhood amenities like green spaces, and avoiding the dangers of climate change like wildfires and floods. With internet, you can move away from traffic-clogged roads and enjoy spectacular views of gardens and nature. Living in a community free from pollution is priceless. When you are ready to make your move, buy an internet home. Sustainable living builds our hopes for a brighter future.